One more thing needs to be fixed here, and that is here. You see into Gravel method we are using target URL. The same thing goes here. That needs to be fixed. We need to use only one time this target URL, not twice. You see we use it here and then we use it here. So we need to change this method in a way that it is not, it shouldn't be necessary to use the target URL here. So if I use a default value here, it is going to solve the problem. So here, if I just say that the URL is going to be equal to none, and it is going to solve the problem, but not completely. In here, I need to check it. If the URL is equal to none, then I'm going to assign the URL to something else, and that is going to be target URL, and we need to use self.target URL. So let's save it, and now come back here and try to check not to break the program, and then let me execute the program once again. You see that it happened, it executed the program successfully. That means there is no error. So perfect. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture with developing this program. Okay.